The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 37. Moreover, Mahāmati, there are 4 kinds of meditation. And what are the 4? They include beginner meditation, meditation on meaning, meditation on suchness, and Tathagata meditation. What is meant by beginner meditation? This refers to what Shravakas, Pratyeka Buddhas, and followers of other paths practice, which is to focus primarily on meditating on the non-existence of a personal self among the individual and shared characteristics of their bodily frame, on its impermanence, its suffering, and its impurity. Meditating on no other characteristics than these, they proceed from one to the next, but without eliminating such characteristics. This is what is meant by beginner meditation. And what is meant by meditation on meaning? Given the absence of a self among the individual or shared characteristics of persons, and the non-existence of a self, another, or both as taught by heterodox sects, this refers to meditating on the absence of a self among dharmas and on the meaning of the characteristics of the stages through which one steadily advances. This is what is meant by meditation on meaning. And what is meant by meditation on suchness? This refers to the projection of the 2 kinds of no-self and the projection of the non-arising of suchness. This is what is meant by meditation on suchness. And what is meant by Tathagata meditation? This refers to enjoying the threefold bliss that characterizes the personal realization of Buddha knowledge and to performing inconceivable deeds on behalf of other beings upon reaching the Tathagata stage. This is what is meant by Tathagata meditation. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. Meditation practiced by beginners, meditation on the meaning of characteristics, meditation based on suchness, or the pure meditation of the Tathagatas. On such shapes as the sun or moon, or a lotus in the depths of hell, or space after the fire, thus do practitioners contemplate. A myriad of objects such as these fill the meditations of other schools, and those trapped in the realms of Shravakas or Pratyeka Buddhas. Those who abandon these are thereby free of projections. Buddhas come from every land with hands beyond conception, and touch their heads as one, and lead them into suchness.